What's up, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to find low competition, high volume keywords so you can easily rank for and you can pretty much steal from your competitors. So if you want to look at your competitors, you want to find the easiest topics so you can quickly rank for and start getting traffic to your site, then this tutorial is going to help you. Now, the first thing you want to do is sign up for Ahrefs. I have a 7-day free trial if you haven't already got access to the tool, and then go to Content Explorer over here. And from here, you want to type in the niche that you're working in. So let's say we've got a camping website and we're trying to find keyword opportunities for that. Type in camping here, select everywhere, click search. And from here, you're basically going to see a massive breakdown of loads of different camping related topics, right? And this could be for any industry that you work in. It could be about birds, it could be about dating, whatever niche you're working in. Now, the trick here is to make sure that you find filters you can use to quickly discover the keyword opportunities that are suitable for you. Now, one of the best ways I've found to do this is to add a couple of filters. Now, the first one is to filter referring domains from 0 to a maximum of 5. And what this basically means is that you're filtering pages that only have a maximum of 5 backlinks. Now, why is that important? Well, when it comes to ranking on Google, if you only need 5 backlinks to rank your site, then that's easy. Anyone can do that. So these are low competition keywords that you can go for. And then another filter is to make sure that the site you're competing with and the topic you're competing for is something that's actually getting organic traffic. So how can you do that? Well, you can filter the organic traffic here. And you want to go from a minimum of 100 searches per month. Okay. Now, Ahrefs normally underestimates the amount of traffic a page is getting. So if it says 100, chances are it's probably more like 500 per month. So from here, we have a list of camping related topics that you can easily rank for that have a low number of backlinks and a high amount of organic traffic. So what you need to do is pretty much create a better piece of content than the pages that are already ranking, and you can find loads of keyword opportunities, right? So for example, we're going to ignore this one because it's a little bit naughty, but we're going to scroll down, and let's say we're looking at camping recipes, right? If I type that into Google, easy camping recipes, then you can see this is a great keyword opportunity because it's got a volume of 700, it's got a keyword difficulty of 0, and a global volume of 1000. So if the keyword difficulty is 0, then this is a very easy keyword to start ranking for. And then what you can do is put this into a spreadsheet and start tracking all of the keywords that you find, okay? So let's say we're creating a keyword strategy for a camping website. We can create a spreadsheet like this, call it camping keywords, and then just start typing the details into our spreadsheet and creating a bank of keywords that we can potentially rank for, right? So you want to track the keyword, the volume, which is 700, and then the keyword difficulty for that keyword, which is 0, okay? You could also take this another level deeper, right? So you could take the URL of this particular competitor that you're trying to outrank. Then you could put that URL into the Site Explorer of Ahrefs, and from there you can break down the competitor's page's details. So you can see which keywords are they ranking for with this particular page and how much traffic are they actually getting. So you can see they're probably getting around, well, it says 125 here, but Ahrefs underestimates the organic traffic, so it's probably around 500. And then if we look at the organic keywords, we can see which potential keywords we can go after. So you can see this is a good keyword to go after. It's cold camping meals, 90 volume, so that's probably around 400 per month. Low keyword difficulty of just 8. And they're ranking #1 for that, as we saw before, with just 2 referring domains to that page. So 2 backlinks, that's all you need to get. And if you get 3 or you get 4 or you get 5, you're going to outrank this competitor pretty quickly. And as we scroll down the list, you can see all of these keywords that we could potentially go for with this page. So not only are you going to rank for easy camping recipes, but you could rank for all of these keywords too. And then you can start putting them into your camping keyword strategy. So for example, camping food ideas, no refrigeration. That's a good keyword to go for. You know, it's got a decent volume. It's got a relatively low KD of 8. and that should definitely go into our keyword strategy. And you can see that if you replicate this process over and over again with related words in your niche, then you're going to find tons of opportunities. You can literally steal from your competitors and start outranking them. And the beauty is that these competitors barely have any links because you've filtered on Ahrefs to a maximum of 5 referring domains. So when you do this, it's just a case of building a few backlinks and then you're going to start outranking them. So this is a very powerful keyword strategy that pretty much anyone can use, and it works for almost every single niche. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash a like on it. And if you're interested in growing your website by getting more backlinks to your site, I actually run a link building agency by juliangoldie.com. I'll add the link in the video description below. And yeah, if you want to grow your website, if you want to get better SEO rankings, then feel free to get in touch via my website and we can have a conversation about link building. Thanks for watching.